Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this screen space fog effect in UE 5.1 and this is requested effect and you can use it like it on a splitter and you can just increase or decrease this like depth. See, and it looks cool. And now I have two planars with for the variation. So if I move, you can see just a planar, but it gives you the full depth. That looks nice. So let's try. So on my last tutorial, this waterfall, I have a comment from my old subscriber and he wants me to create some screen space fog type of thing or vignette. So let's create the fog. So I have downloaded this map from the Epic Infinity Blade Hideout. This is free, you can use it and you can download it from here. So I will not put these files in my Patreon project. I will just give you my effect and you can download the scene from here. So this is the scene. It has these some dusts. We can just delete them. Okay, I'm just deleting this one that is in the camera. Okay, so I have this scene. So let's create a folder in my CGHOW folder, fog, and I'll create a material. And this is material based effect. I'm not using Niagara in this one. So M fog. And let's create a planar